Hello, this is Darin Martineau with Team Freedom. In this video, I want to do a review of Book Ninja. Book Ninja is an incredible new software, and I've been using it for the last several days. I just bought it. It's $17, and then the upgrade is $47 a month. So I highly recommend getting the upgrade because with the upgrade, you can make up to 50 ebooks. Now, this is a software that, excuse me, this is a software that you can create. Um, Amazon Books. It's got 9 different AIs in it. It's absolutely phenomenal, absolutely incredible. And so I highly recommend this. So if you're thinking about getting this product, I would definitely recommend it. I've been doing Amazon for many, many years. I make passive income. I'm not trying to brag or boast, but I've made a ton of money with Amazon. So what this does, like I said, it examines the niches in Amazon, first of all, and it has about 5 different things that it goes through. Um, Click on the link and you can see a demo of it. But I highly recommend it because I'm using it every day. You can only upload about 3 books to Amazon every day. They have the rule. But what happens is there's 9 different AIs in this incredible software, and it creates your ebooks. It writes your ebooks for you. It generates the blueprint. It makes the covers. It does everything with the click of a button. It only takes a few minutes to make each ebook. Now, with that said, you might say, "Oh, the quality control." The quality is very, very high quality. Like I said, 9 different AIs. Okay. The first thing it does is it identifies the niche. It helps you come into the marketplace with a different angle. Okay. Click on the link and watch a demo of it. Now, for my exclusive Team Freedom bonus, you're going to get access to my funnel, being able to copy my funnel. You're going to get access to all of my best uh, trainings and products, and you're going to get over $500 bonus when you purchase the Book Ninja with the upgrade of the $47 a month through my link. So click on the link and get it, Book Ninja now. I highly recommend it. Like I said, this is a very, very powerful tool.